Microsoft 365, previously known as Office 365, is a suite of cloud-based productivity tools and services offered by Microsoft. It combines the traditional Microsoft Office applications with cloud-based services, collaboration tools, and security features to enhance productivity and efficiency in both personal and professional settings. Microsoft 365 includes all of the popular applications that we love, such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, and SharePoint, which are widely used for creating and storing documents, spreadsheets, presentations, managing emails, and taking notes. These applications are accessible across various different devices, including desktop computers, laptops, tablets, and smartphones, allowing users to work seamlessly and collaborate in real time. Now, in addition to the core Office applications, Microsoft 365 provides cloud storage through OneDrive. This enables users to store and access their files from anywhere with an internet connection. It also offers various communication and collaboration tools like Microsoft Teams, which facilitates online meetings, chat-based collaboration, file sharing, and project management. Furthermore, Microsoft 365 offers several advanced features and services, such as enterprise-grade email hosting with Exchange Online, cloud-based productivity tools like SharePoint and Yammer for team collaboration, and advanced security features to protect data and ensure compliance with privacy regulations. Now, Microsoft 365 is available through subscription plans, which typically include regular software updates, technical support, and access to the latest and greatest features. The subscription model allows individuals, businesses, and organizations to benefit from the continually evolving suite of tools and services provided by Microsoft that are always up to date. To sign up for a Microsoft 365 subscription, simply visit Microsoft.com and choose a plan that best suits your needs. Plans are divided into personal, business, and enterprise, and you can compare all of these plans side by side on the product page of the Microsoft website. Now, if you're simply an individual who wants to use Microsoft 365 at home for personal projects, the personal plan gives you access to everything you need, but is limited to only one person, and that person is you. If there are many of you in your family that need access to Microsoft 365, the family subscription would work best. This gives you and up to 6 people access to the Microsoft Office suite and tools. Whereas if you are a student who simply needs to be able to access apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint to complete assignments, but not really access to anything else, the Office Home and Student plan would work best. There are also numerous business plans available for more heavy-duty use. These plans include access to all of the Office applications, but include business collaboration tools like OneDrive for Business, SharePoint Online, Exchange, and Microsoft Teams. So it's definitely worth comparing each plan to see which one suits your needs the best. Now, the final group of plans are enterprise plans. Most of the time, if you're working within an organization, they will have one of these plans, and your IT team will simply assign a license to you so you can use it. The important thing to remember here is no matter which plan you select, Microsoft 365 is your online hub of productivity, making it simple and seamless to work and collaborate with others on files and projects. My name is Deb Ashby, and I'm going to be your host for this course. I'm a Microsoft MVP and course instructor who's been training Microsoft applications and services for over 27 years. I've specifically been training Microsoft 365 for over 10 years. And in fact, I was part of the initial Microsoft 365 global rollout team back in 2013. And Microsoft 365 has gone through a lot of transitions since then, and I'm really excited to show you everything that we can currently do. So that's it for this introduction. It's now time for us to dive into the content. So grab yourself a drink and I will see you over in the first lesson.